In today's video, we'll take a look at the best beginner drone to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Beginner Drone 2022 is Holystone HS100 Navigator. A cheap 2K camera drone. This Holystone HS100 Navigator is an excellent drone for beginners. Introduces not just the experience of flying, but the basic feature set of a serious photography or videography drone for a fraction of the cost. That's because it includes a GPS positioning system, and control is via a good quality phone app. A phone will clip into the radio controller and serve as a screen. At number 4. Rise Teo. A small quadcopter with a 720p video camera. With more than half of the global market, DJI has kept its tech at the serious end of the market. However, a friendly relationship with neighboring firm Rise has led to the Teo, a compact drone that doesn't skimp on the tech. It beams 720p video back to a phone in Wi-Fi range, 100m, or 5MP photos, which are recorded by the app. At number 3. DJI Mavic Mini. The best drone for most people. Released in 2019, the DJI Mavic Mini completely changed the drone game. Aimed specifically at consumers, it weighed just 249 grams, which meant you didn't need a license to fly it. It has now been superseded by the two drones mentioned above, but that doesn't mean it still isn't a great bit of kit. It's capable of shooting 2.7K video, it's fitted with GPS, it has a mechanical gimbal, and images and video are recorded to a micro SD card. Understandably, it's been really popular and is still on sale at most respectable retailers, and if you can forego raw images, you can save a bit of money. It comes with a great range of safety features including hover, return to home, a tutorial mode, and geo-fencing to prevent you from getting into trouble near an airport. At number 2. DJI Mini SE. The newest DJI micro drone for beginners. The DJI Mini SE is DJI's most affordable drone yet, at just $299, £269, 459 Australian dollar, making it the perfect choice for beginners. It's currently on sale in the US, Canada, Australia, the UK, and Europe, but we expect it will be available worldwide before too long. While the DJI Mini SE does lack several features found on the DJI Mini 2 such as raw photos, 4K recording, and a max range of 6.2 miles, it does undercut it on price by quite a lot. At number 1 of the top 5 best beginner drone 2022 is DJI Mini 2. Best drones for beginners with 4K video and 12 MP stills. The DJI Mini 2 is an excellent drone with some fantastic features. It's under 250 grams, which is the weight for pilot registration in the USA and China. It has GPS-based return to home and other pilot assist features, and it includes very share-friendly quick shots. In fact, other than all-around object collision systems, the drone has almost everything you'd expect from a folding drone costing more than twice as much. Thank you for watching the top 5 best beginner drone 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our drone buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.